Hello everybody and welcome to Diamonds and Denim. If you have not been here before, welcome to my channel. This is not a tutorial Tuesday or a first impression Friday. This is kind of going to be a random one and I'll explain to y'all while I'm doing it. I a while back did a first impression Fridays on Kylie Cosmetics because I had gotten 3 new shades. Commando and Dolce K and 20 were the shades that I got. And I had a bunch of comments of people telling me that they liked the video and that they wanted to see these colors on somebody with my skin tone, because apparently this tannish color doesn't get represented very well on YouTube as far as Kylie Cosmetics is concerned. So I had a couple people ask me about the other shades I own because of the fact that I was comparing them to some of the shades I own so y'all can see what's close, what's different, so that if you have one, like maybe you have, I don't know, Exposed and you think it's too close to Commando, so you decided to just get one and not the other. So therefore, I had a couple people ask me to do my entire collection. Now, my Kylie Cosmetics collection is probably 10, 11 shades in. I have Mary Jo K and Bougie, which actually aren't mine. I actually purchased these for my mom for Christmas because she loved those 2 shades. You can see because my OCDness would not allow me to keep this gold cap on it because she lost both of the caps. Whatever, I don't have all day to explain that. I also had given her Posy K, which she decided she didn't want, so she gave it back to me after she threw the box away. Another thing my OCD would not allow me to do. And I have my own personal collection, which are all of these. So this is the Kylie box if you don't know them by now. I'm going to talk about the packaging and how much they cost and all that really quickly, but this is mostly going to be swatches about the shades because I know a lot of people, like I said before, a lot of people haven't tried them. You can only order them online, so you can't try them on in person. You have to order them to try them on. And I will say, as far as Kylie Cosmetics is concerned, I personally have not ordered one shade that didn't work with me. Hazel is a little dicey, but I haven't had one shade that I don't wear. So just so y'all know. So I have it broken up into 2 different sections. I have the single liquid matte lipsticks that I bought, which I just have Commando and Mary Jo K. And then all the rest are lip kits. So I'm going to start with the liquid lipsticks. So let's start with the one I have on right now, which is Commando, which is one I got in the last shipment, the one that I actually did the first impression Fridays on. This is the one I'm wearing right now. It's a pretty like terracotta-y nude. I love it so much. It actually was a part of the Send Me More Nudes, Take Me on Vacation. It was part of the Send Me More Nude set, and she just decided to release it, I guess, as a single matte lipstick. So it's on my lips right now, and what I love about Kylie Cosmetics is the smell of it. They smell like cupcakes, which is amazing. Every single time I open them, I smell them. And they stay on, like not like it takes a minute to set and they do not come off until you take them off. So I'll show y'all on this. I had it on for about 5-10 minutes and this is nothing ever. So I don't want to kiss each one of the swatches, but it's completely dried down. And the packaging, y'all know how they look already. It's glass bottle, black top with the drips and her signature on them, and then it'll say what type it is, if it's a matte, liquid lipstick, a velvet, whatever. And then on the bottom, I don't know if you can see it here. Yeah, on the bottom, you can't see because it's written so small, but on the bottom it says the name. So this one will say Commando on it. So, and these liquid lipsticks retail for, on her site, they are $15 for just the liquid lipsticks. So I'm gonna do a quick swatch because I need a lot of arm space for all these swatches. So this is Commando, and again, here's a swatch. Okay, so my next color, from what I've been told, is one that a lot of people love. I personally am not a bright red kind of girl. My mom died for this color. She loves it. This is Mary Jo K. Okay, so this one is Mary Jo K. I don't think it's fully dried down yet. Okay, so now we're moving on to my favorite things, the lip kits. I love the lip kits because I like to match my liner to my lips. My lips are stained a little pink right now because of that Mary Jo K, but these are so light, it's gonna, like, these are so pigmented, it's gonna go right over it. So all the lip kits are $30. They retail for $30. They come with a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. For example, this one is Hazel. This is the first one I'm going to be trying on. I'm going to try to go from lightest to darkest. So this is Hazel. This was a fall special. That's why the case is black. The cases are not usually black. The cases are usually like this. They're white with the black Kylie. So again, this one was a special order because it was fall. So it was a special setup. So this is the box itself for Hazel. You get the lips on it, the name Kylie. It says matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. So these are the lip kits. And then on the back, it has her name and some tips to how to apply a lip kit. Now, if you don't know how to apply a lip liner and a lipstick, I can't help you with that. You got some other issues that I can't help you with. So this one is Hazel. Okay, let's see. So this is Hazel. Lip liner. I know that some wouldn't feel this color. I love this color. So let me swatch it on my arm for you. So you see where Mary Jo K is. I'm gonna do the pencil first for Hazel, the lipstick for Hazel. So there we go. That's a little better. So this is Hazel. Next up we have Exposed, which is one of my favorite. This is actually, of all of them, I think I've used this one the most, which is funny because I was afraid that it would be too light for me when I ordered it. But it is the one I use the most. So this is the one I use the most. Candy K is actually my favorite shade, but I think this one just goes with so many things. So Exposed. And again, this one was a lip kit, so it was $30. And Exposed, if I remember correctly, was like part of the second or third launch. Let's do the liner swatch. Liquid lipstick. Smells so good. My bottle looks like it's like starting to run out and whatnot. I'm not trying to have all that. This is gonna be quite a hard pill to swallow if that's the case. And the swatch on the liquid lipstick. Exposed here, Exposed here. It's such a fresh color. I think that's why I wear it so much. Like, Exposed is my favorite. It's not, let me take that. Again, it's not my favorite. It's the one I've worn the most, though. It's the one I'm running out of the quickest. Next up is the GOAT, my all-time favorite matte lipstick of all time. Kylie Cosmetics, Candy K. So Candy K is the one before I ordered it. I mean, everybody was talking about it like it was the shade. Look how small my little pencil is now. Everybody was talking about like it was the shade, like it was the one everybody was gonna want. And I mean, I love it. It is bar none, no brand, no nothing, no other Kylie. This is my favorite lipstick of all time. It's just so pretty. So, liner for the lovely Candy K. Also, just so you know, I don't overline my lips. I don't really feel the need to. I got some pretty big old kiss prints going on here anyway, so liquid lipstick for Candy K. Okay, while that's drying down, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my wrist. So we got Candy K pencil and Candy K lipstick. So Candy K, and I think Candy K is my favorite because it's just like the perfect nude. It goes, I can't speak for everybody, maybe it's just my skin tone, but it just goes so well with my skin tone. It was the first Kylie Cosmetics I ever ordered was Candy K. I think I ordered Candy K and brown sugar and some other color that I don't, maybe it was, no, Exposed was the second one. Oh, Posy K, that was the first three I ever ordered. And Candy K just, I adore this color, so Candy K. Okay, next on the docket we have Ginger. Ginger. And when I ordered ginger, I thought it was going to be more of an orange color, but it's really not. It's really a lot more brown than it is orange. A beautiful color, but still, it's just not, you know. Letting it dry down, I'll go ahead and do the wrists. Right under Candy K, we're gonna put ginger. I need to sharpen it. It's getting rough. Liquid lipstick on ginger. And here's Miss Ginger, all dry down, so ginger. Next is Miss Pumpkin, and pumpkin is actually what I thought ginger was. Like, it's the orange that I wanted when I was looking for ginger. Now this is a good point to swatch because of the fact that they're so close. And when I was looking to buy them, because again, it's only online, you can't go in the store and test them out. I was so looking for somebody to compare these two colors so I could see what they look like side by side. Well, nobody did, so I wound up just buying it myself, and now I'm comparing it for you. You're welcome. So, this is ginger, and this is pumpkin. So you can see pumpkin is just a little more orange than ginger is. Like I said before, it's more nude than pumpkin. Ginger, if you want to look at it, ginger is a good cross between Candy K and pumpkin. Like, it's an orange, but it's not a bright, bold orange. It's more of a nude orange, so. Okay, after pumpkin, we have autumn, which obviously was in the fall set. It's the same black case as hazel. They were part of the same collection. So, autumn is another one that okay, so it's a really pretty pink, actually, which autumn, I wasn't expecting it to be pink, but it's a really pretty shade of pink. A really good, like, everyday nude. Like, I use it a lot. I actually use all my Kylie's a lot, but I feel like I need to, like, get my money's worth out of it because they're not cheap. It's not cheap, but they're definitely worth it because you only really have to apply them once a day. They will stay all day on you, and so therefore you don't run out of it super quick. And autumn is like a pinker version of ginger. Like, a lot of people compare it to Kristen. I don't know, I've never used Kristen, so I know nothing about no Kristen, so I ain't gonna lie about it, but I don't, but I've heard that it was very similar to Kristen. I will say almost every time I wear autumn, somebody asks me what I'm wearing. People ask me about this lipstick a lot. So, autumn on the lips, autumn on the wrists, autumn. This next shade is one, I'm not gonna say I didn't like it, but my mom asked me for it and I gave it to her. Like, when I bought it, I thought it was gonna be a really pretty pinky, warm nude color, and it was way pinker than I was expecting it to be. Doesn't mean I haven't worn it. I've worn it quite a few times already, but it's just, you know, it's just not what I was expecting. So this one is Posy K, which actually won Allure's Best in Beauty for pink, so apparently somebody likes it. Ugh, when my mom lost the top on this, she dried it out so bad. Like, it is not, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I am struggling with this damn lip liner. Wrist swatch. Posy K liner. Oh, so dry. You can hardly see the liner on here. Oh, jaws are crazy. Posy K lipstick. And I'm not leaning my stuff on purpose. I just don't want it to, like, wrap around my arm, so I just went it the other way. You can see as it's setting how pink it actually is, though. It's really pink. So, Posy K liner, Posy K lipstick. Posy K. Okay, final four, which is good because I'm running out of arm space, and my lips, I swear, I feel like they're, like, running out of skin. So this one is Dolce K. It actually came out in the original launch, but I actually just got it. It's the latest one I've gotten is Dolce K.
much better. So Dolce K.
Go ahead and swatch it on my arm now so I don't have to go back. Dolce K. I love this color. It's like a weird grayish brown, like a cement color, like a darker version of Malibu. That's what it reminds me of. And so we have Dolce K on the lips, on the wrist, all the way. Oh, I didn't do the liquid. Hold on, my bad. Dolce K. It's a big square. So our next shade is the shade 20. I just got this one not that long ago. This one was part of her birthday collection one year. I don't know which year, one of the years. It just launched as its own individual lip kit though not that long ago. All right, 20. 20 is actually another one that was a lot darker than I was expecting it to be. It reminded me a lot of Posy K actually. And if you do buy these Kylie Cosmetics lip kits, or if you just buy a single lip liner, get a really good sharpener. I know they sell one. I haven't tried one yet. I tried theirs, but the Urban Decay Grindhouse is the one that I love because I used to use a regular one and it just ate those sharpeners up. And its liners are so soft and creamy that if you use a regular one, it'll just keep like taking it off. 20 liner, 20 lipstick. $20 is a really pretty color, but it's so weird. It's one of the few colors that to me looks really, really different on every skin tone. Like on some people it looks purple, on some people it looks almost like Posy K, but I find on me it looks like this, which I think is pretty, but it's just a weird, it's the only one that I find really, really looks different. This is 20 on my lips, 20 on my wrist, all the way down here. And now we're getting into like the darker colors. So this one is Brown Sugar. Now, I don't know what made me buy this shade. This is, of all of them, I think this is probably the shade I wear the least. I think I thought it was gonna be like Dolce K, like I thought it was gonna be a lighter brown, but it's a little darker than that, and it's more yellow than that. So my lips are like so pink, it's insane. Liquid lipstick. Here's Brown Sugar on the wrist. Brown Sugar on the lips. Again, Brown Sugar. And thankfully, last but certainly not least, a shade I ordered from my mother because it had her name on it. This is Bougie. So, Bougie again was a lip kit. She lost the top to her, so I had to find a random gold one in her. Oh, it's so dry. Hate it. Bougie on the wrist. And Bougie on the arm. So these are all of our swatches here. Let me see if I can try to guess them all. I bet I can. So my Kylie love to the test. Commando, Mary Jo K, Hazel, Exposed, Candy K, Ginger, Pumpkin, Autumn, Posy K, Dolce K, 20, Brown Sugar, Bougie. That's all our shades. So this is the last one, Bougie. So thank you so much for watching this. Bear with me. I'm glad you stayed with me because it took a really long time. I really hope these swatches helped you out a little bit, especially if you're trying to decide between two or you're trying to decide if you want to buy one. Again, they're $30 a piece. You can only get them at KylieCosmetics.com. They are really good. I'm telling y'all, and I'm telling y'all it is worth it. I love these lipsticks. I love the formula, love the smell, the packaging, everything about them is just amazing. So I'm gonna try to do some more of my collection videos like this because again, there's a lot of swatches that I have, a lot of lipsticks, and I have a lot of sets of lipsticks, so that way I could help you, help yourself, and you know, thank you so much for watching this. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time here on Diamonds and Denim. Bye-bye.